Hi, my name is Sarah Penza, and I'm a manager on the Diversity, Leadership, and Organizational Development team here at Insight. When we are looking for a job, we're always concerned with things like the starting salary and the benefits. And of course, we absolutely should be. But culture should also be an important part of anyone's decision when they're trying to think about where they want to continue their career. Monetary compensation alone is often not enough to sustain most people if they find themselves working for a leader who doesn't share their same values or an organization that doesn't share their same values, especially if one isn't getting the tools that they need to succeed or if their contributions simply aren't being acknowledged or valued. Teammates here at Insight, they are spending easily a third of their day with us. And whether their work is in a warehouse or it is in an office or it is working remotely, it is so very important that the cues that they are getting from their environment and the people that work in the environment with them make them feel like they belong here, make them feel like they are included and that their contributions are included and valued as well. We have some very ambitious core business goals. And our ability to respond to our clients' IT transformation needs requires constant innovation. It requires innovation in the types of services that we deliver for them. It requires us to continuously optimize our supply chain. Even for those of us for whom our clients are actually the teammates who work inside the organization, we have to think differently about how we serve them. And this type of outside of the box thinking only happens when a teammate is feeling included and safe enough to put their ideas on the table, to take those risks, when they feel psychologically safe to take those risks. And those ideas are only implemented in an organization when that organization actually values those ideas, takes it seriously, no matter who those ideas are coming from, and objectively considers those ideas and decides whether or not they want to put their resources behind it. This all comes down to the culture of our organization. So it's really important, right? Culture. We need to make sure that our culture is such that a teammate can reach their potential here because that potential is absolutely tied to our success. So we need to think about things like what is our culture of recognition, right? Do people know that when they do good work that it's going to be acknowledged and it's going to be rewarded? What about feedback? Is this a place where feedback is shared openly in the spirit of continuous improvement? Do I feel comfortable myself giving and receiving feedback here? And then what about my development? Can I expect access to development programs, development opportunities that can improve my skill set? Do I can I get access to the experiential opportunities to put my new skills into practice? And on top of all of this, our teammates are wanting to know about and they're wanting to involve themselves in the efforts that our organization is putting forward to be a positive influence in our society and our environment. We already spoke about how people are spending a third of their day here with us. They are not leaving what happened on the other two-thirds of their day behind during that time. They can't because every single person is being impacted by the environment and the society around them, and all in different ways. There's absolutely a growing expectation that companies will help employees to stay mentally and emotionally and physically healthy, but also serve as a guide to respond to issues of human rights and environmental issues that are happening here, sustainability, and even more so to actually become players in influencing policy. So, as teammates, as leaders, what is our responsibility here? I think we need to realize that culture is not secondary. Invest in initiatives that promote and enhance the culture of your organization. Get involved and encourage your colleagues to do so as well. Build a culture of recognition. At Insight, we have a recognition program. It is aptly named Recognize. And in that program, any teammate can recognize another teammate for a behavior or action that they took, which was aligned to one of our core values. Programs like these help to both establish and maintain a culture of recognition and reward in an organization and on our teams, right? Secondly, encourage your employees and your colleagues and even yourself to seek out professional development opportunities and help people find opportunities and access those opportunities. Promote a culture of learning and be equitable in the offering of these opportunities. Engage in employee resource groups that offer affinity based development programs for minorities. Get involved in them. Strive to make your organization an industry leader in diverse representation at all levels. Through the development of your people, you will find that they themselves will attract even more talent to your organization. And finally, meet your employees' needs to have a deeper influence on society. Do not run away from this. Initiatives that support sustainability and human rights are important to everyone. This is where employee resource groups and internal community groups can play a very helpful role as well. Your organization's culture will be influenced by your ability to navigate this evolving social environment that we find ourselves in right now. So do not run away from those conversations. Do not default to the way we have always done our business. Leverage employee resource groups and other community groups in your organization to help you. And invite everyone, even those who you do not agree with, invite them all to the table. Our ability to navigate tough conversations with grace, with humility, but also with a firm ground based on what's right for our employees and our clients and our communities. This is the vessel that will help an organization navigate these tough waters successfully.